So hey everyone, as far as we know, Samsung, Xiaomi and Motorola have recently unveiled their newest foldable phones, and the Google Pixel Fold appears to be making a comeback as well. Two flexible phones from Oppo might be on the horizon. But there was a holdout in 2020. OnePlus CEO was not sold on the idea of the foldable phones, but he appears to have started teasing his company's first foldable phone. PT Lau, the CEO of OnePlus, stated that foldable phones weren't ready for the prime time back in 2020, and the firm at the time had no intention to introduce a foldable phone. But as of right moment, it appears like OnePlus' plan has shifted. Yes, the CEO of OnePlus have shared photos of what seems to be an intricate hinge assembly for a foldable phone, perhaps indicating that the work of a foldable OnePlus device is already progressed. Let me tell you that Oppo, OnePlus sister company, surprised everyone with the Find N later this year. The Find N spotted a flat display without a crease and folds without a gap, exactly what OnePlus wanted. It is therefore understandable why the OnePlus Fold rumors began to circulating immediately after the release of the Oppo Find N, which, although being a fantastic phone, was unable to challenge Samsung's greatest folding phones because it was a China-only model. Instead of a clamshell design like the Motorola Razr or Z Flip 4, OnePlus may be working on a taller booklet-style folding phone, judging by the length of the hinge. A close lookup of the hinge exposes 2 axes of rotation, multiple mounting posts and holes for fasteners, and 6 small springs to tension the assembly. The hinge is made of metal. Law's tweet doesn't include a name, but to say nothing of what kind of hardware specs we might looking forward to. The images in the post are clearly of a hinge, and interestingly they matches Oppo Find N's hinge more closely than the Z Fold 3's. The OnePlus Fold may wind up being a rebranded version of the Find N with Oxygen OS instead of Color OS, because BBK-owned OnePlus and Oppo have been working together more closely than in the past on everything from design to software. Not that the majority of OnePlus fans would care, given that the Find N is not widely accessible. Soon, additionally, teasers need to appear. The device will be made available in 2023 according to the previous claim. So what do you think about this OnePlus Fold? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.